morning, rock stars. E here, E's Deals and Steals. And I have a remodel haul that I need to share with you. It is from the lock-in store. The remodel that we went to, and they ended up locking us in the store, called the police, had said somebody had stolen trash bags, I guess, and then they made us dump all of our bags and leave. And then they let us back in later. So we still got some pennies, and I just wanted to go ahead and share with you what I found after. I mean, there was a lot of stuff gone, obviously, because of the penny shoppers got them all, but we still found stuff, so you know the drill. All right, so basically what we have here, like I said, it wasn't a huge haul. We had already basically pulled everything from them, so here's our boys' tidy whities. I talk about these a lot. I think these are very important to have in your list. These are very, very important to have in your list. Got it? Okay. And this, all sizes go. It doesn't matter. Small, medium, large, all boys' white briefs go. Okay? And then we have, let's go to some girls. Now these they win at every single one. Now I'm finding, I don't know, still going about 75% of the time. It is a whole rack, of all sizes in this packaging that will go. And they look different. They stand out because they're in different packaging. I'm right by a window. These have been sitting in my chair for 3 weeks. But this barcode's little. Really little. Okay. We shall 08396 102 1727. And again, if this size is half off, then find your other sizes. They should be half off as well. Still the boys' briefs, but notice, and there's actually 3 different packagings. There's this one, and then there's another black and red one that looks different. But all of them have been going. I did find a couple recently, they're not, but 90% of the time they go. What else we got here? Let's go to girls' socks. We've got the 4-pack polka dotted set. No show. Size small. I got a couple packs of those. Same, another 4-pack. This one's white with stars and some different colors. Size medium. Then we have men's 4-pack. No show. Or low cut, sorry. White with red. And then also gray. We have 12-pack. Boys low cut white. Size medium. Did get some of the collegiate neck gaiters. The 2 girls had already cleaned out the collegiate area, and unfortunately it all went bye-bye, but these were hanging out left behind. Now, there are new ones of these. The new ones do not penny, but the old ones do. I talked about these last night. Our Green Star graphic tees. There's best kid ever, best dad ever, best mom, different ones with camo and tie-dyed. All of them are gray, and they're Green Star. They're usually in a box, or they may be mixed in with everything else, but all of these will penny. We've got our size 6 women's cotton briefs that you guys listen to me talk a lot about. Same thing. This is something that should always be on your list. Very important to have this on your list. Wrong side. Got your extended size women's crew socks, size 8 to 12. I am finding some remodels, the package socks are not going, like the ones in the plastic, but then ones just in the 4 sets or the 12 sets are going, and then others, they're all going. So you just really, again, need to have a good list to know what's going. We've got the women's slippers that are in with all the core slippers and flip-flops and tennis shoes, the 2-pack, pink and white. Get away from that window light. Oh, I didn't hit do not disturb. These were all old ones that I just found while we were there, so they're old pennies. The Ashwanda are glucosamine 2000. Are glucosamine 2000. No point in having the UPC because they're pennies already. We have Schwarzkopf Carrot and Color. Not all of this brand goes. It's only certain colors. I believe these are all the same. It's the 6.0, right? 6.0, 6.0, 6.0. Yep. Then we have, these are part of the As Seen on TV. Make sure you look behind your registers because these were up behind the register. Somebody had already gotten the As Seen, and then when I checked out, I was like, oh wait, give me a box of those. So yes, these will also go because they are considered As Seen. Sorry, that's sunlight. What do I have back? Oh, makeup. Okay, let's talk about some hair color. Let's get the different ones going here. We've got Nice and Easy Going, Clairol, Blonde, 10. We also have a number of Revlons going. It seems to be, there seems to be a lot of reds going right now. So we've got this one, which is dark auburn. Sunlight. We have this one that is auburn brown. This one, light ash brown. This one, lightest golden brown. So it seems to be reds, some browns, and then our metallics, some of our funky colors, which are my favorite. We do have some Garnier Nutrice going. True Red. And some L'Oreal Paris. Excellence Cream. This one is medium golden brown. And then, yes, we got us some makeup. So the CoverGirls that have, there's different M3, L6, L7, M6. Any of them that look like that could be going. We've got L2, L6, L2. So I'll give you a couple of these UPCs. But these actually, they may not scan. When I try to scan these in stores, they won't work. I pull out the plastic thing under the display, and they have the individual barcodes. So that's how I scan when I'm in the store. But you can also just go into your all categories and pull up your CoverGirl, and you can add them to your list that way as well. L6, L2, L6, M3. And then we have a variety of the Maybelline Fit Me. And it's also just a variety of colors. We've got, oh yeah, these have numbers on the top. So that's how I pay attention to these. 128, 115, 355, 320. So that's how I've learned which ones are which. These will enter just fine. They have a full barcode. I don't know why the CoverGirl doesn't. Alright, so that's what I got after the lock-in. So I was still happy. You know, that's a lot of makeup. And I mean, all of this, I mean, right? Not bad at all after they took everything away from us. But I did want to go ahead, and that's from Valentine's, give you some medicines while I'm doing this. Just because these are actually medicines that I had went through and I'm keeping. But I wanted to go ahead and give you guys the UPCs on some of them. We've got Miscellaneous 12-hour blue and white box. We have generic allergy relief 24-hour. It's a thicker box. We have the allergy relief nasal spray. I'm so glad to get this so I don't have to pay full price for it. This stuff's expensive. This is just the one bottle. The 2 bottle, I believe, yeah, the 2 bottle stays full price. It's just the single. We have Mucinex Nighttime. I think it's cold and cough. It's in a purple bottle. Emergency Immune Plus Vitamin C Super Orange. This is a fatty box. Also, not cheap. And medicines right now, for me, yeah, I definitely wanted to get medicines to get stocked up with the winter and everything that we're all fighting. The Afrin No Drip is our new go-to for our runny noses. So this stuff's actually pretty good. I've never used it before until now. So, woohoo. Actually, I didn't use it yesterday. That's probably why I had a runny nose. And we have Mucinex Sinus Max, red and white box. Barcodes are all over the place. Okay. So, there's some medicines. There's some underwear, some socks, some hair color, some as seen, some collegiate. That should give you makeup, a good variety to get on your list. And don't worry, we're going to be moving right along to the next round. I think we talked about, I'm going to do the gift sets for the paid members. And also I'm going to do a how to use the new app. And I think that's it for the day. But I will let you all know. See you soon.